Y. What is the sound of the letter Y? The sound of the letter Y is Y. Come on, say it with me. Y. Y. Excellent work. Now, let's see what starts with the letter Y. This is a yo-yo. Yo-yo. Great work, everyone. Now, we are at the beach. Let's see what word starts with the letter Y. First, we have yo-yo. Yo-yo. Then we have yacht. Yacht. Excellent. And finally, we have yawn. What is it? Yawn. Great work, everyone. Now, it's your turn to say the letter Y.